Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add products from eBay to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, order section, products, customers, content analytics, and here you're going to find marketing and discounts. Right here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And here under apps, you're going to find your applications. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on add apps. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in this page. Once you're here, just go to the bottom and then you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. So once you're here, go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. And then you're going to be taken to the App Store right here. Once here in this page, just go to the top. You're going to find the search bar. Give it a click and then search for eBay. Once you do that, hit enter. And then you're going to be right here. As you can see, guys, these are all of the results for your search. Go ahead and search in this list for eBay importer by info shower. Give it a click, and then you're going to be here in the applications page. Once here, just click on install. As you can see, guys, in my case, I have open, so I'm going to click on open. And then just wait for this page to load. And then once you're here, all you need to do, guys, is connect your eBay account. Click here on connect. And then add your eBay account. Once you do that, just follow the prompts and then you're going to be able to sync your eBay account with your Shopify store. And then you're going to be able to import your eBay products to your Shopify store, or you can also do the opposite, import products from Shopify to eBay. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.